Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to grow rosemary, or rosemary. It's a wonderful herb that's great with many different dishes, and it's so easy to grow. Now, rosemary likes full sun or a hot, hot spot. You can do a little bit of shade or dappled shade if you're getting lots of heat from the street, but they really do want a warm spot. And they will come up and grow lush foliage that you can just trim the little leaves off and use in any of your dishes, lots of meat dishes especially. And the great part about rosemary is it's very hardy. It'll come back over the winter if you live in a cold climate. And even if it dries out or it doesn't look very good, the best thing that you can do for your rosemary plant is hack it to the way down periodically a few times a year, and it'll grow lush new growth again. So if it looks good, leave it be. If it turns brown in any way, chop it down and it'll grow new leaves and it'll look great. As long as you've got enough sun, good drainage, and good soil, like compost or potting soil, you will have a great rosemary plant.